You'll get every little bit. You ain't never seen a drip like this. Heaven at your fingertips. Don't you let a minute slip.
So sit down, y'all. Okay, I unlocked it already. Okay, y'all. So we just coming out of Walmart. I'm so sorry I forgot to film while we was in there looking for stuff. I wanted y'all to come shopping with us, so y'all finna come shopping with us everywhere else. Y'all, ain't forgot y'all. KJ, why you get in the truck? Okay, we out of here. You see, we all getting in this little bitty truck. Probably did an accident, so yeah. Let's spend
There's 2 people over here.
Wait.
help! My baby say help. Mommy help. Got my wig blowing everywhere.
Move your hand.
Oh, I didn't even know that. That's what you was talking about?
Yeah.
Go all the way over,
Let me get in there, y'all can see. Does it look like she can? Okay, y'all, come shopping with us. Come look for Christmas stuff. We're looking for a Christmas tree. Da-da-da, a Christmas block. Okay, y'all, we are walking into what is called the GameStop. Pros, they got 50% off. Oh, yeah.
Hi, Wolfman.
Hello.
Anything else?
Yeah, you got an we got a PlayStation?
Yeah, PlayStation.
What you looking for? Oh.
Blue.
Yeah.
That's green. That's extra.
PS4 is fine.
PS4.
PS4 is fine. Use to the left, the right is use.
I know you wanted this
How
one.
much that is?
14.
Okay, but they shit's on the budget. 34 deals.
$100. That's good. What do you want?
It's not too.
Yeah. Yeah. Because I ripped that whole top.
You can play. Oh,
Technically, where that big ladder is in the bathroom.
everybody good. Just give him some games.
Like, ceiling.
He gonna play it because you bought it.
Of course.
Not that.
I just the one. I know he wanted this.
Okay, we got one that he won't. Find another one.
I don't know if it say 2K or if it
Like
just
they
say
were like, yeah, they're like, if you from your store on the
And he got that already.
Okay,
So I ain't
once
gonna
you
buy
go
some.
back,
He already
put
got.
them up there. Like, they
Battlefield,
stay down.
$10 book.
Your cash wrap and your outside here can't be looking at. The back room, they wouldn't care if
Let me
there's like
try
no
it.
ceiling.
You don't call people and ask them. Oh look, NBA 2K.
Because their major league that
I don't know if he likes Star Wars.
No, he
That's
think
that one league that, remember when their league team was like here? There was a league that came here and they said they fixed it though. I haven't seen it.
I can't wait to KJ start playing games.
It doesn't look like it.
Oh Lord Jesus.
He going NBA Live. You wanna play NBA?
I'm so confident. I hate it. Just this past like week, they constantly.
I just wanna get them too.
US being awful. Like,
I've had 2 drinks.
He got headphones.
No.
what's
I had
been?
one last
Hmm?
night and I had one.
But it's a PlayStation. Control?
Yeah.
Oh my
Yes.
gosh. Boys are so much. I don't want no boy ever.
This week is the one.
Should just have little kids.
Last week and this week.
I'm not.
So I know they got gamer headphones, but those will be like.
So that's actually like that's like a journey. I used to have DreamWorks too. So there used to be.
You can get gamer headphones for $5 or below.
So when I first started, I didn't
I'm
really
just
have
saying.
dreams. So I didn't get like stressed out by it, and then I started stressed out by it, and then I got dreams. And then I talked to Selena one day. I said, "Oh, Selena was like, oh yeah, I always get dreams." And I was like, "Oh."
Let's go. What we get?
We passed you up.
Okay, y'all, we are walking into what is called the GameStop. Pros, they got 50% off. Oh, yeah.
Words. Hi, Wolfman.
Hello.
Anything else?
Yeah, we got a PlayStation.
Yeah, PlayStation.
What you looking for? Oh,
Blue.
Yeah. see
That's green. That's extra.
PS4 is fine.
Yes, sir.
PS4 is fine. New is to the left, the right is used.
I know you wanted this
How
one.
much that is?
14.
Okay, but this is on the budget. 34 deals.
$100 that's good with wet water. What do you want?
It's not too.
Yeah. Go look at this. Yeah. Because I ripped that whole top.
You can play. Oh,
Technically, where that big ladder is in the bathroom.
you better get just give him 2 games. He gonna play it because you bought it.
Of course.
Not
I
that.
just the one. I know he wanted this.
Okay, we got one that he won't. Find another one.
I don't know if it say 2K or if it
Like
just say
they
man.
were like, yeah, they're like, if you your store on the
And he got that already.
Okay,
So I ain't
once
gonna lie
you
to him. He
back,
already got
put
it.
them up there. Like, they
Battlefield,
say that
$10 book.
your cash wrap and your outside here can't be looking at the back room. They wouldn't care if
Let me
there's like
try
no
it.
ceiling.
You don't call people and ask them. Oh, look, NBA 2K.
I've seen any of these. Because they're major league that
I don't know if he likes Star
cash wrap
Wars.
is replaced.
No, he
It's
like
that one league that, remember when they leaked here, it was like here? There was a leak that came here, and they said they fixed it though, I haven't seen it.
I can't wait to KJ start playing games.
It doesn't look like it.
Oh Lord Jesus.
He going NBA Live. You wanna play NBA?
I'm so confident I hate it. Just this past like week, the constant,
I just wanna get them to-
US being awful, like
I've had 2 drinks.
He got headphones.
No.
what's
I had
in.
one last
Hmm?
night and I had one.
But this a PlayStation? Control?
Yeah.
Oh my
Yes.
gosh. Boys are so much. I don't want no boy ever.
This week is the only.
Should just have no kids.
Last week and this week.
I'm not.
So I know they got gamer headphones, but those will be like
So that's actually like, that's like a journey. I used to have DreamWorks too. So there used to be,
you can get gamer headphones for $5 or below.
so when I first started, I didn't
I'm
really
just
have any
saying.
dreams. So I didn't get like stressed out by it, and then I started stressed out by it, and then I got dreams. And then I talked to Selena one day. I sat with Selena was like, oh yeah, I always get dreams. And I was like, oh.
Let's go on what we get.
We passed you. Okay.
I think that's a good 2 games. You don't see nothing else that you want. He a gamer. Okay, that's it. Let's get it out of the store. Oh, KJ, please don't start playing those games as a kid. Oh,
I really.
what?
Then it'd be pointless for me to do that box.
Yep, if you buy that.
So that.
Because you could just do that in a gift bag.
Buy a little extra stuff. Put in the gift bag.
Candy.
Yeah.
Junk food. Wait till the 23rd and I can buy it.
Has it anymore because we're selling with that inventory of it because
Right.
they're only making slimes now.
Yeah, no, I just actually went and purchased. That's what I was looking at. I was thinking about is
Yeah.
that for...
So if you can find new ones anywhere, the disc drive ones, they're $450. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So we just gonna go with
We finally get ready to leave. Y'all see the idiot right up here for her stuff. So we just started Christmas shopping. I did my shopping without them. I forgot to bring y'all along. I didn't bring y'all along because y'all be telling. And y'all, some of y'all go to school with them. So no, I wasn't bringing y'all along. You got it? Need my help? What you got?
It says 59 tonight.
The house. Oh, you into right here. I was trying to figure out like what the hell we into. That's a big old bag of popcorn. You just to let them know when somebody come in. Over there. Or maybe we should bake. I forgot to get some cookies to bake. This is what I wanted, KJ. Oh, my leg hurting. What? I'm full of energy. $99. Right here. Y'all 142.
That's $99.
Let me see how it look. What's the 3-pack?
Bad for a 3-pack. 3 foot high, 4 foot high, 5 foot high.
What's this? What kind of thing this is?
Look, right here, the white tree. It's a microlight. It look like a branch. And then you got all the parts in it.
These things don't know how bad I want to make them a tree.
This the egg. This is what I was talking about, though.
On the back porch.
Yeah. I said get one of them motherfuckers there. The 3 pack, cause you can put one in the living room, one over there in the other living room, and then one upstairs.
We gotta decorate all 3 of them though. We got enough stuff for that.
Yeah. The main one decorate. The other ones you can just sit them in there.
They already
have
lit.
lights. See what I mean?